Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from Truist to another bank. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Truist and then you're gonna have to sign in into your account. Then the next step is to simply click on transfer and pay at the top of Truist homepage, and then here you're gonna have to choose any of these options. Now if you want to send to another bank account, I recommend you to use Zelle, or if you want to send to another Truist account, you can simply select this on here. Then you're gonna have to simply click on any of these, and then you're gonna have to simply choose from which of your account, so it can be checking account, savings account, and to who you want to transfer the money. Now basically, if you don't have them saved here, you're gonna have the option to add their bank details. Then simply choose if this is a one-time payment or recurring, the amount, the transaction date, and then simply click on continue, and that's it. Then you're gonna have to confirm, and that's all you have to do in order to transfer money. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.